150. Ha! Oh well, that's what we wanted. 150 miles an hour.
Tiny big dick pulled to shoot on the top end.
Yeah. Do a little testy on some concrete roads just to see how our trans brake and everything's.
30! Baby, woo! Full spool, bud.
871.
871. Stumbled there on 2-3.
Eight, 9, 154.
Look at the mile an hour. What's a mile an hour?
154.
Nice.
Fuck yeah. 0.91.
Hang on.
With an 896. Oh yeah! I knew it.
What was the 60?
134.
Well deserved, man.
Oh yes.
Here's your shit.
I knew it. When I felt the rev limiter through the line, I was like, that's it. It has to be it.
What happened?
So we'll start at the beginning. The car was never drag purpose like this. When I bought the car, it was twin turbo, stock, 6-speed, no mods. It had like an exhaust, a catback on it. It still had the catalytic converter in it actually. And I paid $19,000 Canadian. I think it was 5 or 6 years ago now. I ruined it. So since then, it's always been a stock block. I always seem to be buying the accessory pieces and never upgrade the block. So it's at a point where it is right now that if I wanted to upgrade the stock block, I have everything that I need in the car to make 12, 13, 1400 horsepower. As it sits currently, it's 840 wheel horsepower. It's been 879 at 155 mile an hour. We were going to turn it up. We ran out of time and the track just wasn't holding any more power, so that's currently where it sits. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks for everybody who helped me with this car. It's been a long 3 years, and after setting this world record pass of 897, I've just outgrown the car. Instead of moving on to that, I've decided to move on with my YouTube future and build something else and just move on. So I ended up selling this Supra, and just want to thank everyone who's followed me along with this entire build.